Backing up and migrating your WordPress site is essential for protecting your data and ensuring smooth transition, whether you are moving to a new host or restoring your site after an issue. In this video, we will introduce you 5 powerful plugins to help you back up and migrate your WordPress site effortlessly. First, we have Updraft Plus. This plugin is one of the most popular backup solutions available, offering scheduled backups, remote storage options like Google Drive and Dropbox, and a simple restore process. It's beginner-friendly and packed with features to keep your data safe. Next is Jetpack, a versatile plugin that includes a reliable backup feature. It's an excellent choice for those already using Jetpack for site security or performance. With its automatic backup capabilities and easy site restore option, it's a solid all-in-one solution. Third, we have Duplicator. This plugin is particularly useful for migrating WordPress site. It creates a complete package of your site, including files and database, making it perfect for transferring your site to a new host or creating a local copy for development. Then there's BackWPub. This plugin allows you to schedule automatic backups and save them to remote storage, such as Dropbox or Amazon S3. It also supports database optimization and checks, making it a comprehensive solution for maintaining your site's integrity. Lastly, we have all-in-one WP migration and backup. As the name suggests, this plugin is designed for seamless site migration and backup. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to export and import your site with minimal effort. It's a great choice for those who want simplicity and reliability.